Do I have two of them here? I do. I have two sets here. Why would I have done that? I cannot find the plugs, the female, for these. And I want them in the worst way. But I can't find them. So I'm going to leave one of them like it is, just in case I do find it. And then I am going to cut this one off, which I hate to do. Okay, let's do it. Shut you guys off for a second. Gotta check the heat. Okay, another thing is here, I had to go see him anyway, my nephew, because my brother-in-law, I think I told you, used to have a t-shirt company they called Jersey Joe's. Now, jersey's like a t-shirt, like a jersey. And his name was Joe, or is Joe. And he got out of it after a while. He sold everything. He did what he had to do, and everything was hunky-dory. Okay, so this just looks like a hot in the ground. However, I don't like these cables. These are those cables, they're like a thread more than they are a wire. Let me get my own heater. My own heater. Let me get the meter. So anyway, he had a press, t-shirts, you know, for doing t-shirt transfers and stuff. Are we on? We are. Okay. Okay, so this one is that. Okay, we can deal with that. And this one is that. So the one with the red stripe on it is the red one. Well, that's simple. Somebody knew what they were doing when you put that one together. So, what I'm going to do here is, I wanted to make a set of probes with it because they're nice and small. But, what's that switch for? I got switches here I put up, I don't even know what they're for. Okay. So if I want to make these a probe, for instance, if I wanted to make them for this, I'd have to have that kind of an end, which is a banana plug, which I do have, I guess. If I did banana plugs, where else can I put them? Well, if I did banana plugs, I can use them for power or for that. So maybe that would be the way to go. Let me see. I'll be right back. Okay. See if these will fit in this. See, sometimes they're countersunk so far so far that they won't reach. Okay. Now what I do I want to make sure that this doesn't start to split into two unless I want it to. So by putting this on there, that'll keep it from splitting. There. Okay. Philip. Philip. And take out this little screw. Come on, be nice. Maybe it's too big? Is it? No, okay. And I say, whoa, it's too big. It's a long screw. Oy, oy, oy. So here's what I'm thinking, guys. I'm not going to be able to come out here. So there's to it. When she's working. Because he won't come in here. Oh, hello. And let's turn you this way, turn you this way. There you go. Okay, so there's the hole. This is soldered. And it's also hot. And that's where that goes. I want to put it there or there. I want to put it there. Come on, let's be nice. Doesn't want to be nice. The other day I was trying to do some soldering and things, and I was shaking and shaking and shaking. That's because my shoulder was acting up. I was trying to, now I got wood chips hanging off my finger. Okay, so now we have the screw and solder. That's what I like. Okay, so we know that's going to work. So now we can bend this one again. And this one is going to go on here. Make sure the right side. Okay, got to go in the right way. Go back over there. Yeah, I could take you over here. This. Okay. So, I'm going to put this right in here just enough to hold it. A little tighter. I don't want to crimp it, I just want to hold it. So, there. Solder, solder. Flux, flux. Okay, so these are now done. So now I can plug these into the machine, the meter, for checking whatever I need to check, or I can even plug them in over here to power. And let's put the machine, the meter on it, and put it on 12 volts. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we have power. Good, so I can use them for both. Good, goody, goody. And they're soldered. Turn the machine off, flip you around, turn you off for a minute.